So this has just arrived. It's a waterproof 3-pin cable connector for outside. Basically, your appliance will go in there, whatever it is, security light, fountain for the garden, whatever. And your mains will go in there. It's all waterproof. So let's have a look at this. So if you unscrew it, that will tighten down on your cable to make it waterproof. And your wires, if you can see, will go into those 3 terminals, just like a little terminal block. Screw them in, fix that back on, and then you do the same with the other side. Pretty simple. £10, £11 from Screwfix, B&Q, or this one came off eBay for £3. So today we're going to be connecting a security light outside. So obviously it's got to be waterproof. Obviously need one of these. Here's the light, as seen on a previous video. And basically it comes with a cable like that. You obviously can't plug that in 8 foot, 10 foot in the air, wherever you're going to fit the light. So basically that's why we need one of these. Let's show you how these connect. Straighten these out. So basically these wires will go into that terminal block. Loosen these off. Can get them. There we go. So we're ready to connect these to the terminals. They just push fit, tighten down, but first we need to put the waterproofing on. So we'll thread that through there. So that is through that. That will fit through that, hopefully. Yep. There we go. That tightens down on that. Basically making that waterproof. There we go. And these will now push into those terminals. Doesn't matter which terminal you go into, as long as you match it on this side with the same, either neutral, earth, or obviously live. So let's tighten these up. That's secure. Live can only fit in there. Push that all the way in and tighten up. There we go. Yeah, all secure. So basically that end's waterproof. This will now screw into there. So that tightens down on them, like so, and this will now tighten down on that. So there we have it. They're all screwed into the terminals nice and tight. Waterproofs, another rubber washer there if you can see it. There's a one in there and also one in there. So we just need to screw this back together, which that will go there, tighten up to that washer there. This will push up, hopefully, that is tight. And that will just tighten down on that, creating a waterproof seal, stop anything getting into those. And there we go. Mains cable into there. Hopefully light works. I'll see you on the next video.